Welcome to Vibrant Community, KK Towers. Project by Shantai Developers. Project located at Kudukar Nagar, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Marg, behind Vijay Mamta Theatre, Nashik Road. Rediscover joy of pure living. Nestled in the vibrant heart of the city, stands a towering marvel that epitomizes convenience and modern living. This architectural gem is strategically positioned near the bustling Nashik-Pune highway, ensuring seamless connectivity to all corners of the metropolis. Surrounded by an array of amenities essential for daily life, including schools, colleges, markets, entertainment zones, hospitals, and hotels, it offers residents unparalleled accessibility to every need. Its prime location fosters convenience and cultivates a sense of community, with diverse and friendly neighbors contributing to a lively atmosphere. Meticulously planned, the project boasts a range of thoughtfully designed apartments, catering to the needs of families of all sizes. Whether one seeks a cozy studio or a spacious multi-bedroom dwelling, there's a perfect fit for every household. With its blend of convenience, community, and comfort, this project stands as a beacon of urban living at its finest. From thoughtful layouts to quality construction, every aspect of our flats is geared toward providing a harmonious blend of functionality, comfort, and style. With us, you can expect not just a home, but a sanctuary where you can create lasting memories and truly live life to the fullest. Moreover, we understand the importance of affordability without compromising on quality. Therefore, our offerings are tailored to fit within a reasonable budget, making luxury living accessible to a broader spectrum of individuals and families. We take pride in presenting meticulously crafted 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and 4 BHK apartments designed to offer ample living space. Our focus is ensuring that each unit boasts a generous carpet area, allowing residents to enjoy spacious and comfortable living environments. Don't miss out on securing your slice of luxury living. Reach out to us now to book your spot and seize the opportunity to immerse yourself in the opulent embrace of extravagance. In our exclusive properties, every moment is adorned with the shimmer of delight and the comfort of indulgence. From the grandeur of the living spaces to the meticulous attention to detail in every corner, experience a lifestyle that transcends the ordinary. By contacting us for booking, you're not just reserving a space, you are opening the doors to a world where luxury becomes an everyday affair. Whether it's the plush amenities, the exquisite design, or the unparalleled ambience, our properties promise to elevate your living experience to new heights. So don't hesitate, take the first step towards a life of unparalleled luxury. Reach out to us today, and let us guide you towards a future where every moment sparkles with joy and every day feels like a celebration.